Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should open Google Photos now and make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that held the photos. Different accounts don't share trash. Once done, tap or click Trash. Google keeps deleted items for 60 days unless permanently removed. You'll see thumbnails and deletion dates. This matters because only items within that window can be restored. If you spot your photo, select it and choose Restore. Doing this returns the image to your library and original albums. If trash is empty, you need to check whether your photos were backed up elsewhere. First, verify backup and sync is on in Google Photos settings. If it was off, local copies might exist in device folders or in Google Drive's Photos folder. Also check Archive and any other Google accounts you use. Sometimes photos sync to a secondary account or to a shared album. Once you locate a copy, download or restore it into Google Photos so it's safely backed up and visible. Now complete the restore by selecting Restore in Trash or by uploading the recovered file back into Google Photos. This returns it to your main library and albums. If the item was permanently deleted past 60 days, contact Google support right away. Sometimes they can help, but success is limited. If support can't help, check device backups or use a reputable file recovery app on the original device. One key tip: stop using the device to prevent overwrite if you attempt local recovery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.